Hey guys, in this video we're going to be looking at the week 11 application questions. Alright, here on the first slide I have all the formulas that you will be needing. These are also going to be on your conversion chart. Feel free to pause the video, write these down if they aren't already in your notes. We're going to be using these throughout this video as well. Alright, while performing an allergy test, the healthcare provider is periodically measuring the diameter of a circular rash. 20 minutes after the allergen is applied, the client's skin rash has a diameter of 12 millimeters. What is the difference? What is the circumference of the client's skin rash? Okay, from the previous slide, there's a formula. If you took the chance to write it down, it's okay. If not, you can go back. But I'm going to write it here for us. Circumference equals pi times diameter. Okay? And diameter they gave us here, it's going to be 12 millimeters. So C equals pi. And for pi, I'm going to write 3.14 times diameter, which is 12. Alright, and when I multiply those two together, I'm going to get 37.68 millimeters. Okay, here we have the exact same scenario. A client with a circular rash, and the diameter is 12 millimeters. This time, though, they want to know what is the total area covered by the client's circular rash. So again, the formula from the very first screen for the area of a circle is going to be A equals pi r squared. Okay, now you may be thinking, where am I going to get r? Because they gave us diameter. Well, radius is half of the diameter. So if radius is half and diameter is 12, that means our radius is going to be 6. So A equals pi times 6 squared. So A equals 36 pi. Okay? And then when we multiply 36 times 3.14, that's going to give us 113.04 millimeters squared. And something important for area, when we're calculating area, the units are always going to be units squared. So be sure to make note of that in the problems to come. Okay. In order to estimate the amount of cream that a client will require for treatment, a healthcare professional must determine the area of skin affected by a rash. There is one large rectangular area of rash on the client's back. It is 10 inches long and 5 inches wide. There is a second triangular rash region on the client's arm that is 4 inches wide at the base and 9 inches in height. What is the total area of skin affected by the rash? Hint, add together the area of both rashes. I love it when they give us hints. Okay, so let's help ourselves out and draw a picture. So we've got one rectangular area that we know is 10 inches long and 5 inches wide. And then we've got a triangle that's 4 inches wide at the base and 9 inches in height. Okay? So we want to know the total area of these two shapes areas together. So from the first slide again, area of a rectangle is going to be base times height. Then over here, area of a triangle is going to be A equals 1/2 times base times height. Okay, let's solve. So here we've got the base, which is 10, times the height, which is 5. And that's going to be area equals 50 inches squared again, since this is area. Okay, and then over here, we've got A equals 1/2 times the base, which is 4, times the height, which is 9. And so we've got 4 times 9, which is 36, times 1/2 is going to be 18 inches squared again. So now they want to know the total area of both. So they said in the hint, add together the area of both of these. So I've got 50 plus 18 gives me a total area of 68 inches squared. Okay.